Our next progression standard is 3.md.b.4. Generate measurement data by measuring lengths using rulers marked with halves and fourths of an inch. Show the data by making a line plot where the horizontal scale is marked off in appropriate units: whole numbers, halves, or quarters. A line plot is one way to record data on a number line. Students should make line plots by drawing a number line and then showing each value and placing an X over the appropriate value. This shows a range of data and how data is distributed over that range. This is useful when the range is small. It is easy to see on a line plot which number occurs the most frequently because it should have the most number of X's. The ability to measure with a ruler is one component of this standard. Students should understand that a ruler measures the difference between 2 points.